What is going on, guys? Welcome to the new channel, and here we go. We're starting off fast down here at 79th Street because it appears we got somebody who's about to do the walk of shame. Go ahead, guys, let's walk the dog back on up. What in the world could this cause this? Let's see what we got going here. Please be a drain plug. Somebody give me a drain plug. No, there's no water coming out. I wonder what we pulled back out for. Welcome back, guys. This is your boy Broncos Guru along with the help of our boy Wavy Boats. It's another Wavy Guru production down here at the 79th Street boat ramp here in Miami. And what do we got going on? What caused this pullout? Ah, it's the safety service locker. Man, that could have been better actually if he'd have went down there and dropped that thing, but why'd they have to pull out to do that? I mean, he could have put that in the water and obviously fixed that with the trim right there. Uh-oh, here we go. My man's got a little trouble going on here. I can already see this one coming. Ah, we got the push off the dock, the little safety check. My man doesn't really seem overly confident here. This is never good, man. On a jet ski pulling in, a little bit of current, a little bit of wind, you're definitely going to have some confidence behind you to pull this one off. Let's see what he's got going. All right, these guys are relaunching, letting her ride. I still don't understand that one, man. He could have put that boat in the water, and he could have pulled that safety latch from the water. Why they had to pull out to do that? That was just, we're just occupying a ramp longer than we need to occupy the ramp. Oh, here we go. He's coming in. Oh, coming in hot. Oh, there we go. Nice one. Oh, God, the look of shame right there. Yeah, he can tell we're watching. Ah, I hate that. Where's he going? What is he going to do here? Oh, even better. He's going to put this right on the concrete. Nice. Nice one right there, my man. Oh, so we're going to wash the top scratch off to try and get the top scratch off, but we just went ahead and rolled this up on the concrete. This makes no sense at all. Jesus, whoa. You can't make this stuff up. Oh, here we go. It gets even better. We got the sideways trailer action from the Honda Odyssey. And they could have at least upgraded, man. Go get you a Sienna, man. Get a swagger wagon if you're going to come rolling through Miami in a minivan. Oh, here we go. Let's see how my man's got it. My man here, he's got the little nervous look going too. This one's going to be a little crazy because when you got a current pulling kind of like this, and that trailer's all crooked anyway. Oh, yeah, we got the nerves rolling. So I don't know if you guys saw that trailer there. So the trailer's, basically crooked to one side, and my man's loading crooked to the exact opposite side. At least he's got his guy up front here. It looks like his buddy's going to try and walk this on for him. I mean, sometimes it's nice to have a little helping hand, Speaking of having a helping hand, we're going to ask you guys for a helping hand. All we need you guys to do is help us pick out the boat ramp champ in this episode. That's right. Let us know in the comments below who you think had the biggest win or the biggest fail down here. Me and Wavy Boats are going to pick our 2 favorite comments, and we're going to give you guys some free swag. The only requirements, you have to be subscribed, you have to hit the like button, and leave that comment, and we'll let you guys choose from our Drain Plug Mafia tumbler or something from one of our merchandise stores. So go ahead and light that comment section up. See, this Odyssey pulled his boat out. It's crazy to see minivans down here at the boat ramp. Just a little wild to see that kind of stuff going on. But you know what? Once you got to come to Miami in the minivan, got to at least get you the swagger wagon. We're going to pull out pretty uneventful here other than the crooked trailer to start with and the crooked load. But I wonder, those wheel wells really weren't that deep. I wonder if he went right over the top of those things when he came in. What we got coming in here? Towboat. There we go. Nice. Oh, we got the twofer. Talking about efficiencies. Towboat coming in, pulling 2 boats at one time. There we go. That's a heck of a day right there. My man's getting paid overtime, son. Gotta love it when you can get a twofer. Comes in, gets that one call, picks the second boat up. Double pay, baby. Wonder what caused these guys here, man. I wonder if we got a fuel issue or we got some motor issues, but that's still pretty slick. Towboat rolling in here. And actually, the crazy part, I guess, is the slick part's getting both these guys up to the dock. He's got the one guy. Now we're going to just drag the other guy up, but that's kind of tough sometimes when you got another boat tied off to you to even try and pull something like this off, but pretty slick by Towboat there. Nice job. This is a pretty new venture for us over here, coming down to the boat ramps, guys, so be sure to leave some comments below and let us know what you think and what we can improve, what we can do better on this. It's definitely a different experience trying to come down here and see if you can catch some action. It's a little different than Haulover, where Haulover we know pretty much if we're down there on a weekend, we're going to see stuff going on. We know if we show up at the right times with the right conditions, we're going to catch some people kind of in the heat in the moment and, having some bad times. And here the boat ramp's just a different experience. Let's roll over here to 4 real quick. Let's see what 4's got going on. I've seen a couple people down here already today that are just struggling with motor starting. You probably hear some of that in the background where you just keep hearing people try to turn the motors over. But I still get confused by this one sometimes. This guy's sitting here with his motor trimmed up, the engine cowl off, and, they're just taking up a ramp. And it looks like he's pulling out just a rag. We're going to dry this off. I think that's going to fix your issue. Probably. That's, typically how motors work on outboard motors for boats. If I just take a rag and dry it off and polish it up a little bit, usually, it'll kind of fix itself and it'll start working a little bit. Yeah, I don't think that one's going to do it for you, bud. But you just sit down here and keep clogging up number 4 for a while. You know, I'm sure people are going to appreciate that as you just sit here and, you know, take your time at the ramp doing nothing but blocking the lane. Oh, we got Miami-Dade's finest coming in on number 1. Let's see how these guys do. The pros, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see the pros come in. He's got his buddy up here for the assistance for probably the push-off, I'm going to imagine, because we're coming in a little off here. Yep, give her a little throttle, but it's not helping. Go ahead and toss a line. Let him do a little pivot for you. There you go. Got the push-off right there. The assistant. Excuse me, not the assistant. The assist. My man's got his first assist. Let's see if he can catch the line, man. We'll go for a triple-double today, baby. Now, you know these guys have to dock this all the darn time. I'm surprised to see him come in that kind of far off, you know. I really don't want to knock police officers because I love everything these guys do, man. Coast Guard police officers, you guys are all out there in the water. I appreciate everything you do. I know that might not be a popular statement with everybody nowadays, but, you know, these guys put their lives on the line to try and protect us, man. Having a good old time down here at the boat ramp today. Got it tied off. We're all square, baby. Miami-Dade won. Hooked up to the ramp. How about a high five, guys? Go for it. There we go. You knew the police were going to do that. They always got to do that. See what else we got going on here. Oh, 4's got that engine trimmed down. Maybe his rag of hope worked. I mean, I can't imagine it did, but let's see what happens, man. It looks like they're gonna give this one a shot, aren't they, man? The old rag of hope there. You know, polished it up good, man. Made it nice and pretty. I mean, you know, that's Miami right there, baby. You polish something up, it'll work. Going for it, big time. Uh-oh. We might have some action here. Oh! Now it's gonna be the mad dash. All right, guys, get the coolers, get everything to boat. It's running, it's time to go. See, I don't know if I'd be diving in this boat that fast if I was these guys on the dock. I mean, if you struggled down at the dock for 30 minutes trying to get your boat started, now I'm going to ride out to the sandbar with you. What the heck's going to happen to the sandbar when we try and leave? I know sometimes it's kind of weird with boats, man. If you get it started once, it's good after that. All right, let's see what we got here. My man kind of looks like the first guy we saw in the video that really didn't have that confidence, but I'll tell you what, his girlfriend looks even less confident. I wonder if she's less confident about reaching for this dock or she's less confident in his ability to get to the dock. Let's see what we got going. Oh, man, that was almost gold. Now we're going to pull off. Actually, it looks like we're going to get directed. They're going to direct them to another dock now. Somebody's trying to get their attention to tell them not to go there. Well, we're probably going to wrap this one up right here, guys. Make sure to leave your comments below who you think the boat ramp champ was today. And once again, we're going to take our 2 favorite comments, and you guys are going to win some free swag. And for myself and our boy Wavy Boats, we really do appreciate you guys following us over here. If you guys enjoyed this content and you've not seen our other channels, why don't you go check our other channels out as well. We have Wavy Boats, who does all that epic content down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, who do some great comedy boating videos over there. And also our third channel, Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already here, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button. If not, we're coming to steal your drain plug.